Dreaming of studying abroad but worried about entrance exam, backlogs, or gap in your education? What if I told you there is a destination just a few hours from India that welcomes you with open arms? No age limits, no IELTS, and no crazy visa hassles. Habibi, come to Dubai. Watch the entire video to break down why this city of gold might just be your golden ticket to studying abroad. Hey there, future Globetrotters. This is Shumela, and you are at Whiteboard Consultants, your go-to channel for unlocking the best career paths and educational opportunities out there. If studying abroad has been on your mind, but you are drowning in entrance exam, financial worries, or endless visa paperwork, take a deep breath and say Dubai. In today's video, we are exploring why Dubai is quickly becoming the go-to destination for international students. And trust me, it's not just about the glitz and glam. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why Dubai might be the perfect fit for study abroad dreams. First thing first, why Dubai? Let's start with the basics. It's close to home. Just a short flight from India, so if you're feeling homesick, it's just a hop away from mom's biryani. It's emerging as a new study abroad destination. That's right. Whether you took a break to discover yourself, work, or binge watch Netflix, Dubai doesn't judge. It's all about your potential. It's comparatively less saturated and has a lot more opportunities. Relaxed taxation laws. Imagine having to pay reasonable taxes, but you also get the world-class facilities in return. AED is a great currency to earn after all. And get this, many institutions don't judge you based only on a language. Yeah, your English skills aren't under a microscope here. Plus, there is no entrance exam or interview from the university or embassy. Just a straightforward process. Almost feels like a dream, doesn't it? Flexibility in courses and transports. The Dubai education system is as flexible as a yoga master. As an undergrad student, you can choose a program duration that suits your goals and timelines, 2 to 4 years. And for postgraduates, it's even better. You have the option of completing your course in 1 year full-time or stretching it to 2 years part-time, giving you the freedom to manage your time effectively. Can I tell you a secret hack? Dubai offers transfer options to top universities in the UK, USA, and Australia after just 1 year. And if your visa gets refused for these countries, guess what? You can continue at the Dubai campus. No wasted money or time. Let's talk about earning while learning, because let's be honest, studying abroad can be expensive. And nobody likes to put financial pressure to family, right? Dubai offers excellent opportunities, making it easier to manage expenses and gain real-world experience. As an international student, you can also legally work part-time during your studies, earning between 2 to 3,000 AED per month. This income can help cover living expenses, personal needs, or even a portion of your tuition fees. For postgraduates, flexibility increases significantly. You can opt for part-time study and full-time work, allowing you to build a career while completing your education. This unique setup ensures that you graduate with a degree and valuable work experience, boosting your employability right out of college. Unlike many countries, Dubai allows a straightforward transition from a student visa to a work visa. Once you secure a job, your employer takes care of the visa application, making it hassle-free for you to step into your professional life. Now, I know what you're thinking. Dubai sounds great, but पैसे कितने लगेंगे? Good news. Dubai is surprisingly affordable compared to other study destinations. Unlike many destinations where you need to pay a year's tuition fee upfront, Dubai universities allow you to pay in manageable installments. This flexibility makes it easier for students and their families to plan their finances without stress. With an annual living cost of around 8 lakhs, Dubai is significantly more affordable compared to the cities in the UK or the USA. This includes accommodation, food, and transportation, giving you a comfortable lifestyle at a fraction of the cost. Early enrollment and academic scholarships are available, giving you the chance to save even more on tuition fees. These scholarships are merit-based, rewarding students for their academic achievements. Unlike other countries where proof of funds is mandatory for visa application, Dubai eliminates this hurdle as well, making the visa smooth and faster. And as I said, with part-time wages ranging from 2 to 3,000 AED per month, you can cover a substantial portion of your living expenses, further reducing financial stress. You know what? Dubai is almost like home. I'll tell you why. The healthcare system is among the best in the world. As a student, you'll have access to high-quality medical services, ensuring your health and well-being are never compromised during your stay. Other countries won't let your family visit so easily, right? Dubai makes it possible. Your dependents can travel with you as a tourist visa, allowing them to visit and support you during your study journey. Universities in Dubai can handle your visa application, making the process straightforward and stress-free. And when you secure a job after graduation, your employer takes care of your work visa application as well. Although Dubai doesn't offer a traditional post-study work visa, students get a 30 days extension after completing their program to find a job. Once employed, you can seamlessly switch to a work visa, ensuring a smooth transition to professional life. So, why Dubai? Because it's the ultimate blend of opportunity, convenience, and flexibility. Whether it's the no-nonsense visa process, the ability to transfer to global university, or the chance to work while study, Dubai ticks all the boxes. Plus, you get to live in one of the safest, most modern cities in the world, surrounded by a rich cultural blend. So, what's stopping you? Pack your bags and say marhaba to your new adventure. If you're ready to take the leap, drop your questions in the comments below or click the link in the description or in the pinned comment to talk to me directly, and I'll be happy to guide you. Don't forget to subscribe for more study tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Bye for now.